TimeClock is a solution that integrates with both the time and attendance module and the service management module to register employee time for projects and/or appointments. It leverages the approval and release functionality from time activities and expands it with location tracking and filtering. So, how does it work? There are two aspects to TimeClock. First, the time registering. We created a time entry screen that allows employees to register their work hours easily using a mobile screen with a start-stop timer and default values. This saves time and reduces human error. The screen is flexible enough to allow users to complete the information either at the start or at the end of the time entry and records the location in which the start-stop action took place. It has some quality of life features like filtering the project list based on the distance to the project site, and per user default values for the earning type, labor item, project, etc. Also, for appointments, it allows you to register time to any service on the fly. Users can start, pause, and stop the timer. The system tracks the break time. And the web version for office employees allows to directly enter time blocks without using the timer. Both mobile and web versions have a field to indicate who's the supervisor or approver for that time record, which is defaulted per user as well, but it can also be modified on the screen. And it's the approver what leads us to talk about the other side of the process, the approval. We'll leverage the approve and release time activities screens, adding some additional features. For starters, the TimeClock solution allows you to define global acceptable distance for the actions to be taken. We're talking about the start and stop actions. And since we're tracking the location for those actions, we can compare them and determine if the activity was done on, near, or off-site. The approval screen, will show this information with a traffic light color code. And clicking the field will bring up the clock time map screen that shows the action markers or the map along with the project site or the appointment location. This allows the approver to quickly investigate and determine if the time entry is valid or if it needs to be rejected. If rejected by this or any other reason, like a wrong project or labor code, or any other wrong information on the screen, a push notification will be sent to the employee to make them aware of the rejection, and they will be able to modify certain fields. Not the time itself, but others related to the error. If everything is in order, the reviewer can then approve the entries, which will be ready for the release time activities, where we can grant certain users, like payroll clerk, for example, to edit entries if necessary in a final round of review. Once the entries are released, they follow the standard Acumatica process to impact other modules like Payroll, for example. Thank you for your time, and please let us know your thoughts and if you would be interested in this solution.